Craving a McFlurry but don't want to leave the couch? I got you! Here's how to unlock McDonald's rewards and juicy deals right inside your DoorDash app. First, launch your DoorDash app and locate McDonald's on the restaurant list. Tap their logo to get started. Now, here's where the magic happens. Scroll down until you spot the deals section. Browse through the available offers like discounts on specific items or bundle deals. When you find a deal that tickles your fancy, tap on it to view the details. Make sure you meet the requirements, then click Add to Order. Check your cart to confirm the discounts been applied. See that reduced price? That's the sweet taste of savings. Earning those McDonald's rewards points is even easier. If you haven't already linked your McDonald's rewards account to DoorDash, simply log in or create one through the McDonald's app and your accounts will sync automatically. Lastly, review your order. Confirm your payment method and delivery address and place that order. McDonald's deliciousness delivered straight to your door while you rack up those rewards points. That's all there is to it. Now go forth and conquer those cravings while maximizing your savings with McDonald's and DoorDash. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips.